Okay, we have problem number two here. When the gate source voltage, when it is off, is negative 3 volts. And we have the saturated current. Another given is saturated current from the drain to the source is equal to 5 milliampere. And we have the uh, tr- transconductance 2500 mu Siemens. Find the output voltage here. So this is our circuit. This is our figure. Okay, so we have the given here from the figure. Okay, for the DC operating point here, the gate is AC coupled and has RG 2 milliamperes to ground. So to gate DC equal to 0 volts. The voltage due to DC here is 0. Source is grounded, so VGS is equal to 0. For a depletion device with the I drain current from the drain current to the source, from the drain to the source current that is saturated is equal to 5 milliampere. The DC drain current is 5 milliampere. ID equal to ID SS 5 milliampere. So the drain resistor here is 2 kilo ohms with VDD 35 volts gives drain DC voltage. So we have the voltage at point D here is equal to VDD minus IDRD, drain current, and we have the drain resistance here. So we have from the given we have 35 minus 0.005 times 2000, so that is equal to 25 volts. So the output node is AC coupled to the drain through a capacitor, and the output is site has RL equal to 15 kilo ohms. So we have here 15 kilo ohms, 15 kilo ohms to the ground. Because the coupling capacitor blocks DC, the DC at the output node is 0 volt. So drain DC is equal to 25 volts, and the output here is equal to 0. So there is no contribution by the DC here. So that's why it is equal to 0. All right. Assignment is a unit for electrical conductors, which measure how easily an electric current flows through a material. It is the reciprocal of the ohm, the unit for electrical resistance, meaning 1 Siemens equal 1 over ohm. 1 S is equal to the negative of 1 ohm. So a device with a conductance of 1 Siemens will have a current increase of 1 ampere for every 1 volt increase in electric potential difference. All right, so we have the small signal EC here output with the input signal here is equal to 20 millivolts here. That is EC here. Okay. So at VGS equal to 0, the small signal transconductance is 2500 mu Siemens. The output load seen by this transistor is the parallel of RD and RL. The coupling cup is a short for EC. So we have here RD and RL here are parallel. So the equivalent value here is 1764.7 ohm. Small signal gain, we have negative GM RD parallel to RL. So this negative 2.5 times 10 to the negative 3 times 1764.7 ohm. That is negative 4.412. So the GM here is given 2,500 mu Siemens. So this is mu Siemens, so that is equivalent to, we can convert that to here, we can convert that to 2.5 milli Siemens because this is mu. All right, so that is negative 4.412. That's the value of the small signal gate, no? Gate to output measured at output node. So with the input given by 20 millivolts, so our V out here, EC, is equal to EV times VN. So EV here is the small signal gain. So negative 4.12 times 20 MV equal to negative 88.2 MV. So we have the final summary here. So for DC here, so VD equal to 25 millivolts, 25 volts. Output here is equal to zero, coupling capacitance. Then we have the AC, small signal, V out here, negative 88.2 millivolts. For Vin equal to 20 volts. We have the physical meaning of this. Meaning of the negative output voltage, the amplifier is inverting. The negative side in the voltage, a negative 4.4 means the output signal is 180 degrees out of phase with the signal. So physically, when the output voltage increases, the gate to source voltage becomes less negative or more positive. So this increases the drain current ID. As ID increases, the voltage drop across RD uh, increases. So here, uh, if you increase the ID here, the ID times RD also increases here. So you increase the RD and the ID here. So you also increase the voltage drop here. So what happens to the voltage at point D? So this increases the drain current ID. As ID increases, the voltage drop across RD drain resistor increases. So this causes the drain voltage and therefore V out to decrease because if you increase the voltage drop here, so we have 35 minus the greater value for the voltage drop here, so becomes smaller. So this will decrease the value of the voltage at that point here. So it will also decrease the voltage output. So hence the voltage goes in the opposite direction to the input. That's why it's negative. So the final interpretation, the output voltage of negative 88.2 millivolts means that for a 20 volt increase at the input, the amplifier produces 88.2 millivolt decrease at output, about 4.4 larger and inverted in phase. So physically, this inversion happens because a larger drain current uh, causes a larger voltage drop across RD. So voltage down, pulling the drain voltage downward. So simulation by Mathematica. So we have the given here also. So the given here, and we have the RD/RL over the sum of RD and L. We have the parallel resistors here. Then we have the small signal gain here, given by this. And we have the V out ampere. This is the small signal gain times the input signal here. This one input signal. So we have the Vn. Vn is equal to the input signal times the sine of the angle. So the angle here is omega times the time. So we have the V out here. So V out times the sine of uh, omega times the time. Then we have the plot here. So we have the V negative 4.4. This is the small signal gain. We have the output of the voltage here. So we notice here that the uh, uh, the two waves here are 180 degrees of 180 degrees out of phase, and output here is almost 4.44, almost 4.4 greater than uh, the input here.